Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you an easy healthy Indomie noodles recipe. For this recipe I'm going to be using I think this 120 gram pack. Yeah, I did the 120 gram pack, the one they call super pack. Some vegetables, some potatoes. This is pepper, 1 clove of garlic and a little ginger. I'm just going to pound this together and put in it, and some onion. So let's get to cooking this. So I start off by putting the potatoes on fire to cook for a bit. This is the potatoes. I also use some of the seasoning from the spice from the Indomie and cover this to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. 7 minutes later, our potatoes are ready, so I'm just going to put in the noodles now. And now, so I don't like too much water in my Indomie, so I like to put a little at a time. I'm going to add some water in here, just a little bit. So I'm putting a little, just a little bit more water. I'm going to put the vegetables in now. They will all cook together. By the time the Indomie gets ready, the vegetables will be ready too. The pepper now, the pepper, garlic, and ginger, and my onion. I'll stir this before putting the So I'm going to put the seasoning now, and then the remaining one from the other pack. So I'll cover this and let it cook for a bit. So once this water dries, this meal is ready. The noodles are almost ready, so I'm putting a little bit of curry, 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder. Woo! So our Indomie is ready. Just very easy, very simple recipe.